Hey, fitness fam, it's your girl Shola. I am your fitness instructor coming back at you with another fitness tip. All right, so for today, fitness tip tutorial, deadlift. This is always a tricky move, but once you get it, it's amazing and it really gets that posterior chain, that lower body. So, first thing you want to do is set your body up, your feet neutral, so that means you have a little space between your feet. All right. You're just going to hinge at the waist, slide down. You want to have a nice flat back, so really sticking your booty out, almost like you're going to twerk. You don't want to hide the butt, so we're not doing like, shy Steve Urkel. If you get that reference, I hope you do. All right, but stick that booty out, knees slightly bent, slide down, and then squeeze it up using your glutes. Drive through the heel, slide back down, flat back, and squeeze it up. All right, you don't want to round through the shoulders, round through the back as you're coming down or coming up. Once you have mastered that move without dumbbells, or yep, without dumbbells, you could try it with slide down and then squeeze through the glutes, drive through the heels to come up. Once more, slide down like you're ironing your clothes with them on, and then squeeze it up. All right, guys. So there you go, deadlift. Please let me know how it goes, and I hope you have fun with that move. I'll see you in the next tutorial.